We go. This heavyweight on the block. Alright, Dirt Digger, Dirty De Niro. Got my man Crazy Dave in the house. Raleigh, North Carolina. New Bern.
Y'all wrote this in prison, yo, from Raleigh. I'm a black man, Africa, the motherland where everything began. Sudan, doctors, people in the land. Giraffe, tigers and lions stole me, my gold, the silver amber diamonds got me like Simple Simon G. That fake white Jesus Santa Claus, cuz. Where the fuck is our stores? Woo, woo. Here's another thing, bam, 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 bam. Look at my girls, are pregnant in the street cause we couldn't control our sex with heat. Told her that you love her, but you played her for a fool. Now she's pregnant with your baby, got her drop of high school. Standing in the welfare line, nigga saying that baby ain't mine, ain't mine. She's feeling alone, her virginity's gone. I called her at home, she won't pick up his own. My mama always told her that you were full of lies. Told her anything to get between them thighs. Woo, woo, listen, no wed, no bed, no AIDS, as I die slowly. Cooked up in a white man laboratory, nigga not dead. Listen, no sex, boom, boom, no head. Contract, no contact, no ring, nothing. So stop checking, start back, boom, boom. I know I look nice, but I'm cold as ice. Till we get married, you won't touch this person thing. I'm born again, I'm a winner, overseeing called Jesus Christ. I did it down within. I told him, young girl, whoop, whoop, whoop. Keep your dress down and your legs crossed, and you're over here, you won't be there. Crazy Day, y'all have a TV show coming out, Crazy Day and Friend. Play myself. Preacher man, I work in the store, I preach it. Blind man. Crazy man, a girl named Davita's coming out, yo, it's gonna be hot. Y'all email me, y'all see some dough, that's it, baby. Word up.
Alright, there, you out?
I'm out, baby.
Alright, holla back.
Watch the CD, that's both of them, man, you know. Give me a little coke, take some beer and cigarette, masturbate, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to save myself and my wife, you know, all that disease and shit going on, you know. With the guy, you stay safe, wrap it up, yo. God, man, the white man made this shit in the laboratory for us. Biological warfare, the crack he made for us, chemical warfare. We the first people on earth, never get rid of this black man.
Boy, it's Capono, King Boss, nigga. King of the underground, nigga. And I meant what I said, it is what it is. You know how we do Cook Crack Volume 1, we did that last time, but this time it's heavyweight on the block, nigga. You know, you feel me, the right nigga this time, man. Raleigh, North Carolina, we on the map, nigga. And out-of-towners, in-towners, whatever, y'all niggas can get it, nigga. World's mine, nigga. Got them goons, nigga. Try
Yo,
it.
I'm saying, it's Friday, right? And ain't none of you motherfuckers got a job. So, what the fuck y'all gonna do today?
Fuck Baker Street.
No, man.
What's gonna be going down tonight, yo?
Brown bag, fine and bread.
Call that Valley.
Sit here on the stoop, smoke, and wait for Fetty to come through. Whatever strolls through, we here and get it.
Where we at right now?
We in the terrace. We on Booker. That would sign right there.
Come through here, I will get at your ass.
CDs, you know. Hold on, let's see what he got.
Check it out. I want y'all to define some shit for me. I want you to define some shit for me. First of all, break down trap.
Break down trap.
Break down trap for me one time.
This is a trap right here.
Why you call it the trap?
Cause goddamn, we trapping all day, every day.
We call it the trap.
Listen here, we call this shit the trap
Cause it's one way in and one way out.
Alright.
Once we here, there's no way out.
It's a trap to be trapped.
Why you niggas call it, why y'all call it Ballad? Why you say you smoking up Ballad for?
We smoking that California, Arizona, cause this the new generation. That weed shit, that weed pot, all that shit.
That's dead?
That's dead. That's dead. This the new generation. Man, you heard coming from the trap on the bike. You heard?
Motherfucking streets are talking, man.
Yeah,
Best believe.
get it close up. Get it close up on the shirt. Get it close up on the shirt. Get it close.
Peace to my nigga.
Get it close up on the shirt.
RP badass Poppy too. East side for life. You feel me? Whether you here and gone, my nigga, you still gonna be east side with me. You smell me? East side the fuck up.
That's what it is. Heavyweight on the block. Get a picture of that. Heavyweight on the block. Heavyweight on the block. Get it fucked up. Heavyweight on the block.
That's heavyweight.
Heavyweight on the block, baby. Your boy Puppet 2 hot live in the motherfucking bathroom.
I'm
Black
little ballin'
time.
back here,
My motherfucking nigga.
I'm little ballin' back here,
You
but
feel
it ain't
what I'm saying?
nothing. Come see me.
Heavyweight on the block, nigga.
I'm little ballin' back here, baby, but it ain't
You see a
nothing.
nigga on that
Come see
cook
me.
crack. You missing my nigga on that cook crack. We here now on that
ballin' back here,
heavyweight on the
waiting up all
motherfucking
day
block.
to get that
And you gonna come to the block and holler at your motherfucking boy. You feel what I'm saying? Come see me tomorrow. I'm gonna give you that real footage. You know what I'm talking about? That good cook crack. Y'all seen the motherfucking first motherfucking cook crack.
2 lines.
Hood classic. Understand, man. Tell them niggas. Tell them niggas about that cook crack, man. Tell them niggas that shit is a hood classic.
Y'all need to get up on that. Fuck everything else. You ain't up on that cook crack, man, we go home.
the first shit. Nah, wait till the second come out. Volume 2 gonna be a little bit more better, baby.
Yo, understand, tell these niggas what you be working with in the hood and what you had to go through in the hood. We all know.
A lot of shit went on in the hood. Niggas try to get at me, but I'm still here. I ain't disrespecting nobody, but much love. Damn niggas feel like they want to put a price on me. Ain't no price on me, baby. I eats back.
So heavyweight on the motherfucking blocks. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the goddamn flow. Out there with my motherfucking nigga, we can keep y'all crumbling.
Heavyweight on the block.
Put my 10 times stronger before my responsibility now, this shit's killing me to get my place back, cause I'm my worst enemy. I ain't never feared what love. But I want just to make change, I gotta be me. Fuck it, gotta be hard to find them niggas, they got some crack, but it ain't hard to find. Getting handled by your bitches, better get it while
It's your boy Big Pino from the Sailboat 4 to the Nine. What now? Y'all know what it is. The real Cadillac King is in the building. FTA, stand the fuck up. What it do? See, look, yo. The truth of the matter, I've been doing my thing for a long ass time. But I don't motherfucking rap for the motherfucking rap. I rap because I motherfucking do it for the love. I'm out here getting money. I'm okay out home. I'm hustling or whatever. I ain't motherfucking kingpin and balling or nothing. But music is my motherfucking first love. And I feel like ain't nobody fucking with me. As far as me motherfucking calling myself the real Cadillac King, I really do feel like that. I'm from Charlotte. And I'm up here in Raleigh. I'm doing my thing. I'm up here getting love. Niggas in Raleigh don't get as much love as me. And not to say motherfucker that I don't love them, but they're not getting their love, man, because motherfuckers up here is real territorial. And for me to get love up this motherfucker means something. Cause niggas ain't rocking with niggas that ain't from there. So for motherfuckers up here to love me, it mean a whole lot to me. That's why I call myself Big Pino from the Sailboat 4 to the 919. I'm Pino Doubt, that's Pino D-O-U-B-T, believe me. You done heard me on a couple niggas mixtape cause I get around. I've been doing this for a long time. Motherfucking on my own with niggas. Back in the day, motherfucking me and motherfucking Face Man set the whole motherfucking shit off. We were doing the painkiller movement. Me, motherfucking Rollo, Face, we started that whole shit at Black Tie. Motherfucking Black Tie wouldn't even have no black crowd if we didn't motherfucking fuck with that shit. We bought everybody through that bitch. We bought Mo through that bitch. We bought Tweety and the bitches through that bitch. We bought motherfucking 92 Ways in the hood through that bitch. You know what I'm saying? That's like real shit, you know what I'm saying? I met this nigga Rollo in school. Rollo was my partner, but we ain't never motherfucker really fuck with each other, but Rollo brought it to me on the business, like, yeah, if we do this, we can make this happen. And that's why I rock with that nigga. You know, I get low because I'm hard-headed, too. I be doing my thing. I ain't no difficult nigga, but motherfucker, I can be a stubborn motherfucker to work with because I'm motherfucking I'm selfish and I know what I gotta do. See, I've been motherfucking chilling, right? I owe motherfuckers an album. Nobody ain't fucking with me. I got some shit in the working. Motherfucking niggas, motherfucking if you been out on the streets, motherfucking the package done circulated. That's my recent mixtape, but I'm about to re-release that. I'm doing School of Grindology, not teach niggas about the game. But motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be me to showcase me and my talent. You know what I'm saying? But it is love on every end, cause you know what I'm saying? Niggas up here made me who I am just as much as motherfucking my struggle, and niggas at the crib made me who I be.
Hey boy, if this anything what this motherfucking New Orleans nigga went through, hey boy, my goddamn heart with you, bro. I was with you when the shit happened, but cause this ain't even a taste of what the fuck y'all going through, cuz. Look at this shit right here. We at the motherfucking club, bruh. And we still trying to keep this motherfucking going. Y'all wanna tell a North Carolina nigga we ain't real, nigga? Yeah, you think what you wanna think.
Yeah,
damn. That's real right there. That's real. That's real. We out this bitch.
What did he do?
A brick. Bricks. We out there.
It ain't hitting the ground. It's nothing. 4 feet, baby.
Hell no. We been in the rain all day. We got what? We got action. Damn. Yeah.